Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming healthcare in amazing ways. It helps doctors and medical professionals provide better care and saves lives. AI uses computers and machines to analyze data, make decisions, and predict health problems faster than humans can. One of the biggest benefits of AI in healthcare is early diagnosis. AI systems can study medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with great accuracy. They can spot diseases such as cancer or heart problems earlier than traditional methods. This early detection helps doctors start treatment quickly, increasing the chances of successful recovery. AI is also improving how doctors personalize treatments. Every patient is different, and AI looks at each person's unique health data to suggest the best treatment plan. This means patients get care that fits their needs better than ever before. Another important use of AI is in managing large amounts of medical data. Hospitals generate huge numbers of patient records, lab results, and treatment histories every day. AI organizes this information quickly and helps healthcare workers find the right details to make smart decisions. This saves time and reduces human errors. AI-powered robots assist in surgeries, making operations more precise. These robots can perform tiny movements with accuracy that human hands might not match. This reduces risks during surgery and helps patients heal faster. Additionally, AI helps monitor patients in real time. Wearable devices and smart sensors collect health information continuously and send alerts if something is wrong. This allows doctors to react immediately and prevent serious problems. AI also speeds up the discovery of new medicines. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI finds promising compounds and predicts how they will work in the body. This shortens the time needed to develop effective drugs and bring them to patients. Finally, AI improves access to healthcare worldwide. In remote or underserved areas, AI tools can support doctors or even provide basic health advice through mobile apps. This helps more people get medical support when they need it. In summary, AI in healthcare is saving lives by improving diagnosis, personalizing treatment, managing data, assisting in surgery, monitoring patients, speeding drug discovery, and expanding healthcare access. Technology and medicine are working together like never before to create a healthier future for everyone.